everyone, continue the series of video what make a wow mobile application. Today we discuss a special topic named strategic applying automation testing. Let's find out. In the previous video, we mentioned about the device fragmentation problem with 64 device profile and also its growth 20% every year. So, to make the one mobile application, the product owner need to consider the functionalities of the app across the network, the platform, etc. But also they need to consider the non-functionalities of the application as well as the functionality of the app. So that is a really big effort. Besides the manual testing, in this video we will demonstrate the effective way to manage the mobile application quality through the test automation. And I think the biggest challenges of applying automation tests is to increase the return on investment (ROI). Many projects has invested in the automation test, but the return results were not very much. So let's consider the success factor of the mobile application testing. The first factor I want to mention is the abilities of applying the technologies. The solution must work across the device, the platform, also support for some technologies used in the application, easy to work and easy to maintain. For example, the scriptless test automation solution means running the test automation with the minimum scripting, or the parallel test automation solution means running the same script at the same time on the multiple devices. And the second factor is the integration. As part of the process, how to integrate the automation testing with the company process and tool. For example, how to integrate the automation testing with the manual testing, how to integrate with the deployment process and the continuous integration process, etc. And the last factor is the test automation coverage. Can it work effectively for very specific and also complicated scenario? We process many transactions through the different system and platform. So, how to overcome those challenges? Through many failed and also successful projects, I would like to share you some points. The first one is the test automation scope. It's great to discuss this point, but it's the most important factor because it might lead to the failure or the success when applying the test automation. People tend to idealize the test automation like it can solve all of the problems just by a click, but it's not true in the real life. The test automation will do exactly what you tell them to do, so we need to think about what is the most common cases or the most common area in the application. Those areas should be automated tests. And the second point is the tool selection. Select the right tool is necessary to increase the return on investment and also prevent the problem in the future. You can start with the list of the tools, then narrow down to the particular tool or the tool set. When selecting the tool, you need to define the selection criteria checklist, which including the technology that the tool supports, also the scripting language, the abilities of integration, the team skill, and also the tool pricing as well. For the free and open source tool, you can have Appium, Casablanca, Robotium, Securely, etc. In case of commercial tool, you can have Ranorex, Experitest, Eplan, and some others. And the third point is choosing the appropriate automation framework. After choosing the right automation testing tool, another step is the choosing the right automation test framework. Some kinds of the framework are the linear scripting, modular framework, data-driven framework, or the keyword framework. Hybrid testing can also be used, and recently the methodology of the TDD, test-driven development, or the BDDD, the behavior-driven development, has become more popular. And the last point is a device lab established. In order to run test automation effectively, you need to execute the script on the same time on the multiple devices. Either you can establish the own lab with some real mobile simulator or the emulator, or you can use the cloud device farm, such as some free farm from Samsung, the Firebase from Google, or some other professional device farm, such as the AWS of the Microsoft or the Xamarin Testing Cloud. Automation testing can help you to improve the mobile experience and also the code quality in a quick turnaround time. However, choosing the right test automation tool, framework and also solution will help you a better result and can help you to achieve the market competitiveness. So that's the end of the video, and I hope that the above strategy will help you get started with the test automation. Leave the comment below if you have any question, and see you in the next video. Bye bye!